Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud DevOps with Lokesh. So this name was earlier as Lokesh DevOps, AWS DevOps with Lokesh. Okay, AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. Okay, I'm frequently changing. It's not a big deal. So now it has changed as Cloud DevOps with Lokesh. Okay, so because I changed, why? Because we are discussing with the cloud and DevOps. Okay, not only AWS. So I'm going to add. GCP and Azure Zone. So that's the reason I changed it as a cloud. So named it as a cloud DevOps with Lokesh. Anyways, that's fine. And previous class we had discussed about a game. Okay, so using the input method. So I have shown you. So we had a fun with it. So we have created a RPS, rock paper scissors. So just like a fun a game. So we are going to create those kind of games soon. So I will prepare for that for you to understand easily. So because if you learn a Python with fun way and better uh, easy methods, easy way, then it will store in your subconscious mind. So that's the reason I'm just thinking, I'm just trying to make a fun way how I have to make it fun way to create a and learning uh, Python, okay, in fun way. Okay, so that's why I've created a game RPS. So I have taken a reference somewhere. So it doesn't matter where I have taken, but so you need to understand better way. That's what my intention. And I'm going to looking for more games using whatever Python related topics are there. So I'll try to cover with a fun way how we have to make a how we have to learn easy way, easy methods. So to store in our mind. Okay, that's the reason. So today also I came up with this topic which is Python list. So that's why in generally in our house we used to see these kind of you know these ingredients like whatever pepper, chili, and all these things. Whatever ingredients are there, these are all we used to see in our daily life, right? So if you something, if you compare with anything related to new I mean our real life, so then it is easy to store in our mind, right? So that's the reason I just kept here these examples. Okay, so I will let you know. So we'll discuss about, let's get into topic. We'll discuss about today's topic is Python list. So a list in a Python is just a way to store multiple things in a single variable. You just imagine this is a single variable. Okay, which is this is called box. Okay, box. Okay, what are the variable excuse me. So this is a you can consider this is a single variable. Okay, so think of it like a like this is a box is a variable. Okay, and you can also take it as other examples. Think of it like a shopping list. If you write down everything so you need to buy, and when you go to store, so you can check the each item off, right? Okay, so and this is also shopping also, and this is also, you can consider this as a variable. Okay, in this variable you are going to keep some different items. Okay, so like powder, jeera, and this is mirchi. I don't know much all these names because I am not good chef. Okay, anyways, chili, some like chili related items. Okay, item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, item 6, and item 7. So 7 items are there here. We can consider this as a pepper, something like this. Pepper, chili, right? And I don't know this name. Okay, whatever. So why? And this is I think I don't know. This is actually what is this? You can comment here if you know. So you can item Z. Okay, you can consider this as okay. I don't know. This is also A. You can consider this is I think it's yellow color, right? This is turmeric, right? Turmeric. So you can consider. So I know very general items, but I don't know all these things. Is these names and all. I think this is 7 1 is Zira. Okay, okay, Zira maybe. Okay, I don't know much. So anyways, it doesn't matter what name it is, but you just need to consider this box as a variable. If you consider this box as a variable, so in this variable you kept a lot of items, right? These items. Okay. So don't think about what is there inside of the matter. I mean, what is there inside of this small boxes. Okay. So you can, what I'm trying to say is, just I'm trying to explain you very much clearly. If you can consider this box, whatever the box is there, this box, if you consider this box as a variable, in this variable, this is a variable, in this variable we are keeping the items. Item 1, we are keeping items, item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, item 6, and item 7. Okay, 7 items we kept in this variable. Understood? So this, you can consider this box as a variable. In this variable you can keep item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You understood? So this is called as list. Hope you good. Hope you understood, right? So this is called as a list. Understood? So yeah, next let us try to make it more simple and let's compare with it. So I'm going to consider these names. I'm just keeping these names. Okay, this is a variable. Okay, the this one is, it's look like this color, right? Somewhat. Okay, so the first one is pepper. For suppose this is name is pepper powder. Okay, the second was this one is similar to this one, right? You can consider second one is red chili. Okay, third one is this one. It is similar to little this one. I don't know, but this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So little dark is, looks like little dark this one, maybe. Okay, so eighth one is vegetable curry powder. I am not sure, it's okay, anyways it doesn't matter, but we just considering it as different names. So I'm going to take third one is this one, coriander powder. So I'm writing here. Okay, coriander powder, doesn't matter what is there inside. Okay, just consider this name, that's it. It's matter about the name. Okay, that, and so this one you can consider seventh one. I'm keeping this seventh one name rasam powder. So let us make little fun. Actually, you know who is inventor, who is founder of this Python? Guido van Rossum, right? So this name is also looks like that, just for fun. Okay, and this one we can consider as seventh one. It is no, what is this? Seventh one already done, right? Okay, fine. And the tenth one, this one. Asa 48, I don't know, I can't even pronounce it powder, because I didn't heard anything this. And this is turmeric, because it's look like yellow, that's why. Okay, turmeric. See, and this one is it's look like this, right? Third one, What is this? Coriander already I have taken. Seventh one taken. What is this fifth one? Garam masala. You can consider this garam masala. Garam masala. So in this perspective, here is variable is box. I am taking here. I will take small one. Masala, which means box. Box equal to. You are taking a big box. That's why I'm box. This is actually box name. This is variable name. You are keeping one box. This is considered. This is a box. Okay. In this box, you are keeping these items. First item is, so you need to mention quotes before you write something. What is that? Strings. Okay. So pepper. First one is pepper. Second one is red chilli. Third one is coriander powder. Shortcut I'll use. Next one is RP, which means rosam powder. Okay. And okay, anything doesn't matter. Okay. And this one something AP, something you can mention. The other one is turmeric powder. Okay, we mentioned like this. I don't want to keep this. Let's keep one, two, these many. Okay, which means excuse me, I'm really sorry for I just have a little cough, so don't mind. Okay, these are all. If you write like this, so we can consider this name as list. If you see like this, you can consider this as a box. In this box there are items. Okay, these items are on, if it is a string item, you need to mention double quotes. Under double quotes, whatever the items are there, these items, so you are keeping in these square brackets, which is called as list. Hope you understood, right? So this is real time. So generally I am just comparing with our real example, real life, what we are using like this. Okay. Okay. Just now, instead of remember everything in your head, you just check your list. Another example I'll give. Okay. For example. So don't worry about it. Try to take more example. Then your mind can able to store. Okay. So imagine you are a teacher. Okay. And you need to store students names. Okay. Instead of writing them one by one like this, instead of writing Ramesh, Suresh, etc. like this, register is there something, you need to mention everything in one box, right? You understood? Sorry. So I'm going to write like this. Okay. I will mention here students equal to Rahul, comma. Um, so for every word you need to mention in double quotes. Okay. So and Mahesh, comma, Vishnu, comma, Harish, comma, Ramesh, comma, Purush, comma, and Ashok, comma, Santosh. So these names I mentioned in box, but you need to remember every name you need to mention in double quotes. So in earlier example, I did not mention this. I'm sorry for that. Apologies. So you need to write like this. Forgot that. Okay. Don't forget it. Okay. So you need to write like this. Okay. This is way if you want to see who in your class, you just check the list. This is called list. Okay. Why list is useful? This is matters. Why we need to write everything in this list? Simple. You can add more items. Okay, if you want to add continuously, you can able to add new items also in this list. You can remove items also if you don't want to this name. Okay, you can remove this name also, this name also, this name also. If you want to remove, you can able to remove. If you want to add, you can add. Remove also you can remove, add also you can able to add. So you can change an item. Okay, for example, correct, I have written Vishnu. Okay, so I don't want to write Vishnu. I want to remove these two. I want to write Vish, Vish. Okay, so that's why there is a some little correction is there. It is correction involved. So to do this kind of correction also you can able to do. Okay, so you can sort it. Okay, arrange alphabetical order also A to Z, right? Alphabetical order also you can able to arrange. Okay, so this is how we have a lot of flexibilities are there in this list. Okay, and let's take another example. Think think of a player on your uh, I think no, no I don't, your team for example. Okay, so yeah, for example cricket, I like cricket, that's why cricket equal to, I'll write like this. I want some players. Okay, I'm going to select players for a trophy. Okay, so I will write like this: Dhoni as a captain, Rohit vice captain, Kohli. Okay, comma. Don't mention this. Don't forget this. You need to mention comma every item. Okay, and here you can write. I think this is enough. So I have selected these people, and I have mentioned in every item like this, and also separated by comma. Okay, every item I mentioned in the square brackets. Okay, so you can shuffle. Okay, you can add or you can remove. Okay, just like modifying a Python list. Simple. In a simple terms, a list is like a container where you keep multiple things together, so you can use or modify them easily whenever you need. So it is also, can take an example. This is a one container. You are keeping your items in this container, right? So whenever you want, you can remove this. Whenever you want, you can keep it. Okay, whenever you want to change it, yeah, I want, you can modify it, I mean, which means sort out. You want to keep here in this, you want to keep here in this. Understood? Which means sorting, removing, adding, removing. Okay, so like that. Okay, you want to modify it, you can modify it. So these are all options are called, these options are available in this list. Okay, that is Python list is very important and also easy. So here you can see the different you have some lines. Okay, lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Point is covered already. Lists are four. Lists are one of four built-in data types. You understood? Built-in data types in Python, used to store collection of data. The other three are tuple, set, dictionary. Okay, list, tuple. Some people will call tuple, some people will call tuple. Next, set and a dictionary. So these four, one, two, three, four. Okay, these four are built-in data types. Okay, so all with the three different qualities and usage. So list is different, tuple is different, dictionary is different, set is different. Correct. So, every each and every data type we are going to learn, and we'll see what are the uses, advantages. What is the difference between list and tuple? What is the difference between set and tuple? What is the difference between set and dictionary? What is the difference between list and dictionary? What is the difference between tuple and set? What is the difference between dictionary and tuple? All those we are going to see, right? This is another example. If you want to keep, if you do like more fruits, so you can also mention like this. You need to keep a variable. This is a variable name, and you are keeping in square brackets apple, banana, cherry with a separated comma, and every item you are keeping in quotes, and you are printing it. Print fruits. You no need to print every item in this prints. Just simply you need to mention your box name. That's it. So it will print. You'll get print result. That's it. So this is all about list. Okay, let's try to change the slide. So these are all as a few examples of list. What is here, actually I just would like to add one more point here. Here if you read this, a list in a Python is mutable, ordered and indexed collection of elements. It can store multiple data types such as integers, strings, floats or even other list. Got it? So which is mutable and immutable? Just need to keep this term in your mind. What is mutable and what is immutable? I just will give you one small example and comparison. Okay. So mutable, immutable. Okay. Okay. Mutable. M started, right? What is the meaning of move? Means you are moving, you are there here, after some time you will be here, which means there is a change in between your body. Okay, you are moving from here to there. That's why it is move. That's why this term called move, which means you are changing from one place to other place. Okay, same way M also started from here, move. Mutables means changeable, move. Okay, mutable means changeable, immutable means opposite, not change. Okay, that's why list is, you can add, you can delete, you can modify, you can sort. So these are all options are there flexibly. That's why it is called mutable. Got it? So this is about mutable, and it is ordered and it is indexed. Okay, order means it should be in a proper orderly. Okay, next it is indexed. Indexed means, for suppose there are numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I can consider this as a 0, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3 and this is a 4. So these are all index values. For example, I want to call. Okay, so like this, index value 0. If I mention like this, I will get 1. I will call index value is 2. You will get 2. Index value is 2 means you will get 3. Index value is 1 means you will get 2. Because this value is here. This is 1 value. This is 0. 0 means 0th position, where the position is. Index value means which is a position. 0 position, what is the value is stored? 1 value. Okay, second position, which means this one. Okay, 0 1 2, what the value is stored? 3. So that's how index value. Okay, so we can store multiple data types. These are all examples, right? So let's see one by one. We are going to try with all these examples. Okay, list of integers. Why? Because these are all numerical values. List of strings, which means these are all names, right? And data types, which means 10 Python all together, which means integer, string, okay, float, boolean, all. So it is all together, which is mixed types. You can mention all these things. And nested list, list in a list. Nested means, example, um, nested means one file is there, for example, in Windows. Okay, in this files you are going to keep other file, in that other file you are going to keep other file. Okay, you are keeping multiple files in one folder, which is called nested. Okay, like that. You understand? So nested in means one file is there already. In this file, one file folder is there. In this folder, other file is there, in this folder other file is there. Okay, these are all, which means this file, last file is there in this also, this file is also in this file also in this, which means in this box these are all, these files are in there inside. So this is called as nested, which means already this is a list. Okay, inside other list is there, list inside the list, which is called nested lists. Okay, so let's give a try. Okay, I would like to open VS Code. So here it is the VS Code. I want to take new file. Here I will mention list.py. You mention once after C. So if I mention .py, you can see the change in icon. Yes, this is new. So I want to keep here. So I am going to write here list. No problem. Mention like this only. List in Python. Okay. So we'll take one by one examples. First one is list of integers. Okay, these numbers. Okay, let me try to here. Numbers are, I mentioned here, 1 2 3 4 5. Guys, if you see here, if you can understand, so every item we have mentioned in previously, if you mention string here, you need to mention in double quotes, but if it is integer, you don't need to mention double quotes. If you mention double quotes, it consider as a string. Okay, so I want to print this, print numbers, right? Save this and try to run this. Excuse me. Yeah, you see, you got this, right? All list items got in output. Okay, so this is called integer. Next to string values, list of string values. Excuse me. Yeah, list of say string values. So what are the what are the values are there? Apple, banana, cherry. So I want to print it. Print fruits. Fruits. So this is a variable. We are printing one variable. So instead of printing every item, so we are keeping everything in this list and we are trying to print one list value, which means variable. So enter, which means save. After that you just try to run this. Excuse me, you see this? Okay, you see this apple, banana, cherry. Okay, and so mixed data types, right? So 10 I mentioned integer, this is a string value, this is a boolean, and this is boolean, and this is float, right? So I want to print this mixed, mixed and save it. Okay, save this and run. You see? Okay, so we can write like this. We are going one by one, step by step process. Understood? Next, this is nested related. So list inside a list. Okay, print, save this. Here you try to run. Okay, you got right list values. Anyways, that's fine. Next. So yep. So we already printed this. Correct? Done. Next, accessing elements in a list. Accessing elements in a list using index method. Okay, so I've already taken this example. So I want to take first element. So let me try to take this for example. So I will mention here, see here. So fruits already I have taken from here, correct? So I don't want to mention this again, remove it. Okay, print, print fruits, so index value is 0. Okay, I already explained to you this, again I am trying to repeat. See this index value, you can consider this as a 0, this as a 1, this is a 2. Okay, 0 1 2, 1 0 value is apple. Okay, 1 value is banana. Okay, and second value is cherry. Let's see. So you mentioned here. Okay, and another thing is, this is we are going positive direction. If you come to the negative direction, okay, plus, and this is minus, there will be x-axis and y-axis, right? This is null point. From here you can consider this 1 2 3 4 5, so and so infinite values. From here left side, so what, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, which means direction is right to left. Okay, here direction is from null point. Okay, direction is left to right. So this is positive values, this is negative values, negative values. So that's why we are coming in this direction, that's why it is negative values, which means, and here if I can mention, this is -1, -2, -3. Okay, we'll see. So -1 is, -1 is cherry, -2 is banana, and -3 is apple. Just keep in mind, I'm just going to close this and try to run this. Okay, let me try to save this and enter, I mean run this program. You see the first one is fruit, the print one first value is apple. Is it correct? 0 apple. One value is banana. Yes, we got banana. And -1 means cherry. Okay. Again, I'll try to write more. Print. So instead of writing this, I have a very shortcut method. So which is shift to alt down arrow. So you can write like this. So I want to keep here 0 1 2 value, -1 already done, -2 value, -3 value. Okay, and minus 0 value. Let's try this. Even if it is wrong, it doesn't matter, because you need to try, then only you can understand that whatever mistakes you are doing, you can identify it and you can rectify it. Okay, so let's run this and I will show you one by one. Okay, let me clear this first, it's clumsy. Okay, let me run this now. Yes, that's great. Now if I come to here, see, again I'll try to explain for you. 0 1 2, -1, -2, -3. Okay, 0 value is apple. Okay, 1 value is banana. Okay, second value is cherry, and -1 value is cherry. Okay, -2 value is banana. Okay, next, sorry, big minus, -3 is apple. Okay, so you see here, right? First one is, what is this? Index value 0 means apple. Okay, index value is 1, which means banana. Apple done, next banana. Correct. Next, index value is 2, cherry. Right. Index value is -1, cherry. Right. Index value is -2 is banana. index value is -3. Is -3 means this one, apple, apple, correct? This one. And -0. -0 means you try to keep in focus here. Apple we got. 0, if you have a 0, have positive value, negative value is doesn't matter, it is a 0 only. Even -0 is a 0, plus 0 is a 0, into 0 is a 0, multiplication is 0, 0, divided by 0. Whatever you do with a 0, 0 value never change. 0 will be 0. If you 0 makes with the 1, it will become 0. Okay. 0 with the 5, also 0. Right? So like this. So doesn't change. Okay. 0 value is not changed. That's why. So whatever, even if you keep positive, doesn't negative, negative signs, so you will get apple only. So this is what you might have observed, right? That's great. Let's move. Okay, I hope you understood. The next one is here. Accessing elements in a nested list. So nested means file inside a file, inside a file, inside a file, 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 file. This is for fun, okay? So which means a file inside a file. So multiple boxes in a one box. Example, I'll tell you. You might have seen in your kitchen. So one box, big box will be there. Under other box will be there. Sizes will decreases. Okay, other box will be there and other box will be there. This will be closed. This will be closed. This will be closed. Our mother always try to keep like this. And also that design boxes designs also will be there. These kind of boxes we might have seen. So this is big list. Okay, list inside list, list 1 2 3, three lists are there. This is one list, big list, main list. Under that 1 2 3, these are all called nested list. Okay, so this is good example for you, right? So let's try with it. I'm going to take entire all these things, all these items I'm copying and pasting here, so it will be useful again. So I would like to take here this. Yep. So I want to keep here hash because it is commented, because it is a title. All right. Nested list, list inside a list. So I have taken a numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. I have bifurcated these into different 1 2 is in one list, and 3 4 is in one list, and 5 6 are in one list, and these are all three different lists in a one different big list. So this is what. So now again index values comes into the picture. Okay, let's try to break. Okay, so now let's nested list 0, this is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, -1 index, -2 index, -3 index, right? So if you call like this, and also if you want to call like this, so you will get the results. Let's see how the response is getting from the output. Okay, let me try to run here. You see this? First one is 1 2. Why? Because I will tell you here. If you see what is here, list to index value 0 means like this. The output is same. Correct? The next one is 0 1. Index value 0 1. 0. What is 0? Here. Index value 1. Okay, this is little tricky. Why? Tell me and try to think. List inside a list. You mentioned here list is 0. Inside this 0, 1. Okay. List 0. Okay. I need a clear explanation for you. Okay. Okay. I want to take here. So I don't hesitate if I confuse. Don't worry. Okay. Let's clear this. See here. This one I need answer. Okay. See, example of 1, 2, 3. Nested list is total list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here nested list, total nested list 0 and 1 they mentioned. Output is 2. Means 1, 2. Okay. 0 is first position is 1 and 1th position is this, which means how many numbers? 2 lists are there, which means understood. Okay, so for example I will add more. So I want to keep here, you can mention here is 2. Okay, now you need to get 3. Let's try to run this. One second. We don't have 0 1 2. Okay. Again 0. I'll keep like this. Let's see. Okay. So here nested list index value 0 is this one. Index value 1 is this one 4 5 6. Index value 2 is 7 8 9. Correct. So here understanding nested list only 0. You try to understand. Nested list 0 is 1 2 3. Result will be get this only. Okay. So 1 2 3 we got. That's okay. That's not a big choice. That's not a big deal. Right. So understanding this one first. Nested list 0, index 0 and index 1. Okay, now we are accessing second element. Okay, so index 1 inside the first list. One second. Let's see. So here nested list, this is fine 1 2 3, and nested list 0 separate index and 1 is separate index. Second element of 1 2 3, second element of 1 2 3 out of these three, which is he is asking inside the number of second element is 2. Okay, 0 1. Okay, second element means this one, right? First element means 0. This is 0 element, first element, second element. Okay, yes, yes. I need more. Let's see more. See here, let's compare with the apple banana. Here, apple nested list, apple, banana, cherry. So index value 0 means what will get? Apple. Okay, so it is inside nested list. This is a big list. Under this, how many lists are? 1, 2, 3 lists are there. In one list, every list, apple, banana, cherry is there. Dog, elephant, fox is there. And grape, hippo, and something it is iguana. Something is there. Okay, now it is printing nested list 1 2. What will print? So that is what I need. Okay, in nested list means 1 2 3 is there, nested inside the list. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2 for suppose 0 1 2 for suppose. Nested list 1 means dog elephant x fox. Nested list 2 means grape hippo, that's what I'm thinking first of all. So for example, if you print index value 1 means what will get 0, this is 0, this is 1, right? So these values will get dog, elephant, fox. This is very much clear. Okay. And here, what is here? Identify nested list 1, 2. Nested list 1 and 2 inside this up. That's what we need to do here. Here, 1, 2 means third element of index 2. Got it? So this means 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2 means third element index 2. Dog, elephant, fox. See, you are telling here, so from 1 to 2, so what is this second element, which means 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So which means we need to count from 1 to 2. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, 2, which means fox. That's why the answer is fox. Okay, you need to consider like this. Okay. So same here, if you come to here, here is 1, index value 0, index value 1 and index value is 2. So from here, index value 0, we need to count from here. So if you mention like this, it will consider index value. Understood? Just remove this. And I'm telling here, it is considering index value 0 first. It is taking this one. So from here, it will count 0 to 1 means, so what is the value of 1? This is 0 value and this is 1 value, which means that's why 1 is 2. Got it? Again, I'll try to explain here. Don't worry, I don't hesitate to explain. Okay, but you should not hesitate to listen. Okay, here, we need to answer index value of 0 is 1 and 2. You can mention 1 and 2. Out of this, here again we need to see, don't think about this again. Now we are seeing here in this, now it is 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 1 means what is the 0th value? 1, and second value is, this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so in this, if you see 0 to 1, the second value, which means the first value, index 1 value is 2. You understood? That's why we got 2. So it is telling we need to check from 0 to 1. 0 value is 1. This one, I mean, sorry, 0 value is 1 and 1 value is 2. So index value of 1 is 2. That's what you need to keep in mind. That's it. I don't want to, don't drag it more. That's it. I'm going to forward. Next, slicing list. You understood what is the meaning of slicing? Slicing means pieces, right? So numbers are there here. You see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. These numbers are there. So here print to 1 to 4. Okay. What is a, first of all we need to identify 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, right? So these values. For example, this one we can take, we can consider this as an example. Okay, it is 1 is to 4 means 1 to 4, which means it will count 1 to 4. 1 means here 2, 3, 4, which means these 4 values will get 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, you got it right. 20, 30, 40. Oh, it is 3 has actually taken. Index 1 to 3. 20, 30, 40. So in between 1 to 4, it is counting first value and 1 value, 2 value, so third value. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Next to index value is to 3 only. Let's see here. It is mentioned like this. which means 10, 20, 30. It is taking. It doesn't matter even if it is there. You mention here like this only, it is nothing but 0 is there. You need to mention 0 point is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you need to consider this. How many? 0 means 10. Okay. Next to 20. Next to 30. Means 3 values he is asking. Okay. So 10, 20, 30. Next one is 3. Again he stopped here 0. Okay. 3 means 1, 2, 1 minute. 0, 1, 2, 3. Third value is 40. Okay. 40 after that. How many values? 3 values. 40, 50, 60, and how many values pending from here? 40, 50, 60, 70. So here difference between these 0 to 3. Here 3 to remaining values. After 3. After 3 means these values. Okay. Till 3 means these values. Okay. This is, you can write here, this is 3 and this is like this. If mention means after 3 count, after 3 how many values will get. So after 3 means 40, 50, 60, 70. Right. This one. And this one means before 3, 10, 20, 30. That's what. And minus 3. So you can consider here, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 3 after east is there. Okay. Minus after how many values are there? Minus till here, minus 3. 50, 60, 70. How many? Minus 3 values till here. Okay. Last 3 elements, minus 3 means these minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Last 3 values. Why? Because we need to mention here. Because minus 3 means earlier we mentioned 0 to 3 like this. Means first to 3 values. Minus 3 means last 3 values. Understood? Next. So like this. Here mentioned this one. This is every second element. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are index values. Okay. So every second means um, first one this one, next to this one, next to this one, next to this one. First we need to start from here. Okay, 1, 2, second value this one. After this second value 1, 2, this one. After this second value is this one. So which means from here second value is 30. From here second value is, I'll show you here. From here second value is 30. From here second value is here. From here second value is here. From here second value means 30. From here starting with 10, 30, 50, 70 like this. If you mention 2 like this, every second value. If you mention like this, every first value. If you mention like this, every third value. Means third value means it will start from here. 10, 40, after that 70. Okay, let's give a try with it. Okay, again I will copy this. See here. So I want to give a title for this. Okay, it's been, I think it's been 54 minutes. Next, after this, whatever examples left, let's make it a second part for the list. So after that we'll close this. Okay, let me try to save this, and before that we need to make it comment because it is a title. Okay, it doesn't matter number, I don't want number. Okay, let me keep close. and save this and try to run here. Don't focus on above, just check here itself only. Okay, again try to read. I will reiterate because we need to learn very strongly. Okay, first one is here, index value 1 to 3. Okay, 20, 30, 40. You see this. Next one is this one, first three values, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, and index here, this one, from index 3 to end. Okay, index 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 to end. 3 to end means this one, this one. Okay, so which means, I mean, sorry, this all 3 also is there, right? 40, 50, 60, 70, right? Next to this one, minus 3. Minus 3 means, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You can keep like this. Minus 3 to 0 for suppose. After that, you can consider this as 0. For example, I am telling. Okay, till here. From minus 3 to values. From minus 3 to end. 50, 60, 70. Last three elements. Minus 3 plus 3. Plus 3 means first three values. Minus 3 means last three values. Simple. Plus 3 means these values. Minus 3 means these values. Why I am telling like this? Because here positive values go to left to right. Okay, negative values goes to right to left. Understood? So negative values goes like this, positive values goes like this, right? And this one, if you write like this, if you mention like this, you need to understand that this is every second element. Every second element is this one. Every second element this one. You can, because we are starting from here, so that's why we need to indicate 10. Second 10 after the second value is 30 because this is reference value. 10 after the second value is 30. 30 after that 50. 50 after that 70. You understood? These values are every second element. So same we got answer, right? 10, 30, 50, 70. So this is all about, this is about slicing list. Means slicing means pieces. Cutting the pieces. Okay. This is called a slicing list. Okay. Next topic would be so I'm not continuing. Next topic is he modifying list. Okay, after that, so list operations, iterating through a list. Next is list comparisons, and after the list methods. These terms are very important. That's why I mentioned here list methods. Okay, and also list method examples also I have given every, I mentioned here already while I'm explaining in the starting. So append also I'll explain, insert, remove. Okay, after that adding, okay, clear, copy, all these things, reverse, sort. So this we are going to see. That's why I mentioned every method in this list. Okay, list methods examples I also mentioned. Okay, so we'll see that also, right? Lastly, we'll conclude what the exactly Python list and its benefits. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening my class Python list, and next class will continue. So this we can consider list part 1. Next will be part 2. All right. So thank you so much. Kindly support me, share and subscribe my channel. So if you like it, it will reach many people. So then I will get more boost to do these kind of useful and informative content. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.